Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a shop with me video through my Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. So if you like all things Dollar Tree, hauls, organizing, or if you like grocery hauls and meal planning videos, be sure to subscribe and follow me for more. All right, let's go shopping, guys. Right at the front, I see the adorable solar lights. I hear so many positive things about these, and there's so many hacks out there. Because we're spending more time at home, this might be the year that I'll finally have to try these out. And right next to the solar lights is this cart full of moon pies for sale, 2 for $1. Sometimes when Dollar Tree is really trying to get rid of food items whose expiration date is quickly approaching, they really try to push these out with sales. I have been seeing this Juncture brand at a lot of Dollar Trees. They have been putting out their accessories, hats, bags, lanyards, socks, all sorts of things. All the scarves, lots and lots of pretty designs, and these cute little purses or wristlets. And then just random brands of socks. These look like athletic socks with narwhals on them, and more of these Juncture bags. These are reusable totes. I love using these as gift bags because it's such a great way to repurpose and recycle. And these adorable bags, you're a peach, hugs and kisses, good vibes only, do small things with great love. Wow, these loofahs look like really good quality. They're super thick and heavy. I am definitely going to have to pick these up, one for my husband and for myself. And if you prefer something like a loofah glove, they have those, they have mittens. They have these really cute cake toppers. I really like this pennant one. I love pennant toppers for cakes. And look at these water tumblers. These are like as big as my arm. They are huge. They are 75 ounces. Wow. Imagine this just full of ice water or lemonade at the beach. Wouldn't that be amazing? Life is a beach, enjoy the waves, hello sweet summer, and summer vibes. They have the dish drying mats and towels. They have these chair pads that look really cute. I think I might be liking this Monstera leaf flamenco pattern, or the one with the lemons and the kiwis. Those just scream summer to me. They look just so happy. And then the lanterns are back. They're so adorable. They've come in so many different colors before. And see, this is why I look in sections where I don't necessarily need anything, because sometimes you can find little treasures. This is a white half apron with red hearts on it. Also, I saw this cookie cutter in the mustache shape, also by the same brand. And this here is a flour sack towel. I wonder if this can actually be used for something else. Oh, how pretty are these apples? These would be so great for Teacher Appreciation Week. Put them in something, along with a nice gift card for a teacher. And of course, I have to go through the glass section. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am a milk glass collector. I've used milk glass before to decorate with Dollar Tree items. I just think it's just so beautiful. So I love seeing the designs they have of glass. I really don't need any more glass in my house, but I just love looking at it. It's just so beautiful. This container was really heavy at the bottom, like a really heavy glass. But the top is plastic. Let's head over to the craft section. I like these little beads. These are so very pretty. I noticed they sometimes sell bracelets already made with these kinds of beads. The tie-dye in several different colors, I think like 9 or 10 different colors. And they also have some chalkboard paint. How cute are these metal tags? I've been eyeing these for kind of a while and I do not know what to do with them. I thought maybe make ornaments or just cute little decorations. I found them. People have been raving about this transfer tape, but what I really was looking for was this faux leather. It's of course fake leather, and you can use it to wrap different things. Like if you've ever seen those leather wrapped organizers for your desk. In my store, they came in a brown, black, white, and a dark blue. How pretty would this be? I'll just show you some of the other stuff. They had this vinyl paper that people have been really liking, a roller cutter, the embossing tool, craft scraper, craft spatula, craft picker. More gardening stuff is out, the weed barrier, and yay, these came back. The stackable 3-tier planter. So you have the terracotta color, and this one's kind of like a beige gray. They come in blue as well. Do they come in a fourth color? Let me know if you've seen them in another color. So I tried these out in the store, stacking I think 4 or 5, and I think it seems to work pretty well. The problem I've had though in the past with Dollar Tree planters is the drainage. I will break off the drainage tray at the bottom and put something under there so there's more air and more space in between for drainage, but totally give these a try if you're looking for a tiered planter. I think it's definitely worth it. They have the drip trays with wheels on the bottom so you can move your containers according to the sunlight, and the tiki torches. I have these candles, citronella candles spiral in blue and purple at my store. I wouldn't be surprised if there are other colors. I have not tried that before. And the hula stuff, the leis, the grass skirts. More of the organizing stuff is out. I really like those baskets for hauling things to the beach, you know, stuff that gets sandy or wet. It's nice to have them kind of open to air but still organized in the basket. And then these little bins, how awesome is it that they come in a bonus buy so you get an extra there. Those are great for organizing little items. So if you have kids who are learning math, they have little manipulatives to count with, you could put those in there, or beads. And yay, these are some of my favorite organizers from the Dollar Tree because I use these a lot all over my house as little drawers. So if you have a cabinet that is particularly deep, especially if it is low to the ground or super high, you know, it's nice to have these so it's a lot easier to access what's back there. I think these are the toothbrushes Cha-Cha Cakes likes. I remember her saying she bought some non-plastic toothbrushes at the Dollar Tree. This is the bamboo toothbrush with charcoal. I have used this before. It's been kind of a while, but I used to grind my teeth a lot during the day even. So I would use my bite guard that I got from the dentist at night because that one's a lot stronger. And then during really stressful times, I would use this one during the day. It's a lot weaker, but I'm awake while I use it, so I don't worry about breaking it and swallowing it, that kind of thing. So much variety these days with hand sanitizing wipes and soaps, antibacterial and not. Okay, let's head over to the beauty section and see if we can find anything good. So they have a lot of random brands of beauty items for masks and scrubbing sponges for your face. Is this any good? I wonder. It's Eco Tools Facial Conjac Sponge. This looked kind of interesting. The Freeman Melting Sugar Mask in the matcha ice cream. In the hair section, the Scooncy brand and the Goody brand, I really like their bobby pins, so I think this is pretty nice to have. It's a 60-piece, and of course they have all the cute little Disney and DreamWorks brand for barrettes and hair clips. I had mentioned in at least 2 different videos how my Dollar Tree has been out of baby powder for some reason. I know, it's so ridiculous to be excited about this, but I'm so glad they're back. The price is actually about the same as the Up and Up brand at Target, but it's so nice if you're already at the Dollar Tree to just be able to just pick it up. And whoa, look at these boxes. These are huge. These are 12-ounce boxes of the General Mills rice checks. These at my Kroger are $3.69 per box. So this is definitely a good deal. Definitely getting that. And I've noticed that their seasonings, they have more and more now in these huge portions. They have these name brands also. So this Red Lobster seasoning for seafood and the Kingsford stuff as well. So the garlic and herb, lemon pepper, and the Cajun style. It's funny that they put the coffee candy in the coffee section. I guess if you're a coffee lover, you might like the candy. This is my favorite iced tea. And they also have lots of different flavored waters, the hint waters. We like having both these really huge and the really little water bottles on hand just in case. This item is probably one of my favorite items in the frozen section at Dollar Tree. These are the Jennifer's Garden spring rolls. They have been around a long time. I really like that they still carry frozen fruit. You can definitely eat some healthy items at the Dollar Tree. In the pet section, I spotted this little mat here to go underneath your pet's feeding bowls. These look like they're super easy to clean. I always like looking in the school supply section for deals. If you like these Bic pencils, keep an eye out for the bonus pack. This looks like a cute little notebook to organize your creative ideas or thoughts or projects. This list pad is really pretty. It's sectioned out into AM, PM, reminders, and notes. We have used this paper before for my daughter's Girl Scout troop. We will write a letter of thank you to the people that bought cookies. Just to warn you though, these are kind of on the thin side. And yay, I was hoping to find this. These are a little collection of different sizes of sticky notes. I'm gonna hold off on buying these though. I'm kind of hoping for maybe some different designs. Okay, and just a random find at the front were these baseball fan flags of the Toronto Blue Jays. Have you guys ever had Chicago popcorn? For the life of me, I cannot remember the name of the popcorn brand. All my Chicago friends are gonna kill me. Every time I go to Chicago, there's a line down the street outside this popcorn shop. I think it starts with a G, I think. Lots and lots of Snyder's pretzels in the big bags. So much variety. I think I saw maybe 4 different kinds. If you like flavored sparkling water, definitely give the San Pellegrino a try. These are definitely more in the regular grocery store. All right, so that is it for this Dollar Tree. Let me know, guys, what goodies you've been finding. If you like this video and all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.